I would like to add on, but I'm not gonna do it. There's no imbalance. I mean, there's a small one there, but didn't close below the low. Yeah. I'm gonna move my stop to the highs. 804. So unfortunately here, I wanted price action on the 5-minute to come back down, disrespect this busy, the one at 792, disrespect it, come down into this busy down here, go back up, bounce, grab this consequent encroachment, and then continue going lower. That's what I'm gonna put a 30 tick stop loss. I mean, if it goes higher, we can probably get faked out, honestly. But I'm gonna say this volume imbalance here on the 1 minute has power. I'm gonna call that the last protected zone. I'll add one here. So just one contract. I'm only in with 5 micros. My stop loss is high. I'm looking at a 30 tick stop loss. Oh, what a perfect add-on. Just giving you a heads up. I am gonna move my highs to that new high though. That's what I'm gonna do. So instead of trimming, yeah, my stop loss now at 800. So the reason why, I mean, I would like to trim, don't get me wrong, but it's only 19 ticks up. It's not worth it. But we do have to understand that today is a holiday, so there's no need for us to try to get greedy and look for like an actual normal move, right? So might as well just secure something. But the reason why I am not gonna take a profit here is because there's SIBI that got created. So I want to see if this guy gets respected. If it doesn't get respected, then obviously this thing's gonna probably most likely gonna pump. So we'll see what happens here at this SIBI. I'll put my stop loss at the highs. So we have about a 17 tick stop loss with 5 micros. Oh, yeah, then you're definitely good for yeah. Just see a retracement here. Goes up, comes back down. If it goes up a bit higher, I'll probably add one more contract. Yeah. Yep. I added one here. Yeah, it's the last resort of respect here. If it doesn't get respected, I'll call it a day. What time is it? It's 10 a.m. already. Not like it matters anyways. It's a fucking holiday. But I do like the fact that the previous 5-minute candle we bounced. We just went back and wicked into the buy side. So expect a chop. Yeah, chop is expected. The only reason why I'm shorting is because we do have the liquidity void down here. That's my main concern of the day. It's like, okay, we should be able to target this. If we don't do it today, we'll do it tomorrow, this week. We'll see. The one at the opening gap, 726. Yeah. We can get a break and close. Okay, perfect. We got a break and close below the low, and we got an imbalance, possible imbalance here. We got 52 seconds to find out if this is gonna be an imbalance or not. If it's an imbalance, I like it a lot. Yeah, we can. Let's say, for example, this is an imbalance. Price action is most likely gonna come lower, so I'll trim 2 at 50 ticks for the sake of holidays. And then I'll just add 2 more at the imbalance when it comes back up. Alright. Just give me here. Alright, I took 2 off here. Oh. Well, you're fucked.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna add 1 more contract there. So about 787. But at that point, your stop loss better be a break even. But they go higher than break even. Okay, good. I'm gonna take 1 out here. It's at the consequent encroachment on the 5-minute. No idea, but I'll take it. Alright, we just broke and close. We just broke a low. If we can close with a SIBI, I'm gonna add my other position instead right there. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do it at the 781. We closed out the fair value end. I could have trimmed here actually. Alright. Yeah, this would have been a perfect trim area. Okay, on the 5-minute, I just saw this too. There's a fair value gap where we close below. Yeah, there's one. There's a 5-minute that broke structure, the internal low. Comes back down, broke structure. Now we're about to hit consequent encroachment. So I'm gonna add at that consequent encroachment of the 5-minute. Just a little shy from it. We can probably reject here from this volume imbalance. I'm gonna stay patient and I'm gonna leave it right here. See if we get an add-on. So the add-on is just about the bearish breaker. The only thing I don't like is that we can probably reject from this volume imbalance, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, and get missed. Yeah, we're just about like a tick. I could probably just market order it, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna trim one here. Price action is most likely gonna want to bounce for a bit, so just secure some profits. I'm still gonna do the add-on though. Says second was like dub setup, so got it. Volume was low, so freaked out a bit, but scaled in when it pulled back over a fair value gap. See, that's when you're not supposed to be scared. You're supposed to add more. So he's probably talking about this area here around the 794. There's a SIBI there. He must have got in, well, he went in with 15 contracts. Price action came down and then it pulled back on him. So I'm pretty sure if he entered on top, he got scared and got out here somewhere on this area. Unless he entered here and then came back down, saw the SIBI and didn't want it to retrace on him. Two different scenarios. Possible. Who knows? He honestly looks very bullish. So if we really pay attention to price action came down on the 5-minute. We had a liquidity here, broke the lows, and then the trend that broke the lows counters. So what I mean by the counter is this guy here. Price action comes down, breaks and closes below the low, but then automatically counters trends, breaking the internal low, the internal high, I mean, and then damaging external highs, leaving a fair value gap behind with a candle that closes above the highs, right? So this to me is now my bullish entry. That's literally the A+ setup we want for longs. Price action then comes down into the imbalance, comes down into the volume imbalance, and then bounces, right? Now obviously it goes lower, grabbing whatever order block needs to grab from here, fulfilling things. But based off of fair value gap trader, I would have entered here consequent encroachment, and a rule is to always have 5 to 10 ticks below this wick candle, right? So let's say we were to do 5, we're at 43, we're gonna add to 48, and we would have never been stopped out at 48. However, if it's less than 50, we just add the 5, so we should have been somewhere around here, and we should have been targeting the high for partial, and then obviously buy side liquidity was our main target, and that would have been a 2-to-1 ratio, right? Price action then goes back up, breaks the high, damages the high, leaving a fair value gap behind. We come down into it, but the fact that I'm bearish because I'm looking at this guy down here, this gap, I went ahead and I took the risk at the 1-minute inverse fair value gap when we disrespected it. The stop loss was worth it. The fact that we didn't have it here on the 5-minute was the risky part, but that's just the way. And then honestly, during this time, we couldn't catch these longs. My ass personally was asleep, so there's no way I could have caught this. It's 5 in the morning EST time. That would have been 3:40 in the morning. I'm asleep, you know. There's no way we can catch it. All right, I got wicked in here. We're currently at the 5-minute consequent encroachment now. No, I'm trading micros. I wish. That'd be awesome. Alright, I'm gonna bring my take profit a bit lower, so start aiming for more aggressive hits for a choppy holiday market. What a perfect add-on. Let's hope we break a low and close. See now, sometimes when you see the failure to go lower, if you really don't want to like risk it, this is when you can trim partials, right? But that's just because we have to understand that right now price action keeps coming down to the 5-minute consequent encroachment, and it's not willing to break it. So we need the bodies to break the lows, which means, like I said earlier, this right here could have been the sell side liquidities hunt. Now we're trying to see if we can sweep, come back down into another low and failing to go lower. So I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna go say it's gonna want this liquidity, this volume imbalance, and then continue going lower. Unless it just, you know, just, I'm okay with it dropping now. Yeah, I'm okay if it drops from here, but that's what my price action reading. One more here. If we leave a SIBI, we come back down into 770. I'll add another contract. A 1 minute. I mean, a 1 tick SIBI. We got 4 seconds left. Never mind. We closed it. We closed it. We closed it. No, we left something there. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We'll enter it. Yeah, I just entered. Stop loss till the highs. Right here. My stop loss is gonna be the high. Hopefully we don't come into those imbalances or the volume imbalance from earlier.